I like to call him our artistic director.
Oh, that's very nice of you. Thank you so much. There's very little creativity to my brain, but that's very nice of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely. How did it all go?
Wonderful. Super su bili, ne? Znači, malo je bina bila premala, so nastupali smo na teren. And you know what? It's actually not a bad thing for kids to be dancing on the grass.
Yep.
I grew up that way, dancing on the grass, so you know what? It's really good.
Yep.
And it gives them that real authentic feel about actual folklore, how it used to be through generations. So it was actually quite nice.
Fantastic.
All right. So I mean, we're really proud of the kids. To be honest, I think we have so much more left in the group for our next year, and I think our big group and even our smaller groups have shown just how much they can do.
Yes.
So very excited to see what next year holds as well. So
Awesome.
God willing, everything will go to plan.
Fantastic. All right, thanks for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.
All right.